Backpacking on a budget can be a fun and rewarding experience. Today we will look at some practical tips to help you save money. The video is split into 6 sections: accommodation, transportation, food and drinks, activities and sightseeing, money management, and finally some general tips to get the most out of your adventure. First of all, accommodation, hostels, and budget lodging. Dormitory rooms are the cheapest, often costing $5 or $20 per night, depending on the region. Some hostels offer free breakfast, kitchen facilities, and social events. Check out platforms like Hostelworld, Booking.com, and Agoda for competitive rates. Camping. Many national parks and rural areas offer free or low-cost camping. Camp Space and Hip Camp are useful for finding private landowners offering camp spots. Consider investing in a lightweight tent, sleeping bag, and portable stove for flexibility. Work exchange. Websites like Workaway and WWOOF, worldwide opportunities on organic farms, connect you with hosts for room and board in exchange for work. Tasks may include farming, teaching, or house sitting. This is a great cultural exchange experience. Couchsurfing. Platforms like Couchsurfing offer free stays with locals who host travelers. It's also a good way to make local friends and gain insight into the culture. Secondly, transportation budget airlines. Use tools like Skyscanner, Kiwi.com, and Google Flights to find deals. Book in advance, choose flexible dates, and check surrounding airports for cheaper fares. Pack light to avoid baggage fees. Buses and trains. Long-distance buses, e.g., Flixbus in Europe, Redbus in India, are often cheaper than flights. Night buses save both time and accommodation costs. Train passes like the Eurail or Japan Rail Pass offer discounts on multi-country travel. Ride-sharing. Platforms like BlaBlaCar allow you to share rides with locals for a fraction of a ticket price. It's also a great way to meet people on the road. Hitchhiking is common in places like New Zealand, parts of Europe, and Latin America. Make a clear, friendly sign and smile. It's safest in rural areas with a good local reputation for hitchhiking. Thirdly, food and drinks. Cook your own meals. Shop at local supermarkets or fresh produce markets to save on food costs. Carry portable food items like instant noodles, rice, or pasta for emergencies. Use hostel kitchens or portable camping stoves to prepare meals. Street food. Street food is often authentic, delicious, and far cheaper than sit-down restaurants. In places like Southeast Asia, Latin America, and India, you can often eat a meal for $1 or $3. Refill water bottles. Invest in a reusable water bottle with a built-in filter, Life Straw, or Grail. Many hostels, cafes, and airports offer free water refill stations. Eat where locals eat. Avoid touristy restaurants. Instead, ask locals where they eat. Local markets and family-owned eateries are often the best for budget travelers. Fourthly, activities and sightseeing. Free walking tours. Many cities offer free walking tours, typically run by locals who work on a tip basis. Websites like Guru Walk or local tourism offices list available tours. Discount passes. Check for city tourism cards like the Lisbon Card or Paris Pass, which provide free or discounted access to attractions. Many passes include public transport, museums, and guided tours. Nature and outdoor activities. National parks, beaches, and hiking trails often have free or low-cost access. Consider camping or trekking instead of expensive tours. Student and youth discounts. Carry an international student identity card, ISIC, or youth card for discounts on attractions, transportation, and accommodation. Some museums and landmarks offer free entry on specific days. Fifth, money management budget apps. Apps like Trail Wallet and Travel Spend help track expenses and categorize spending. Set a daily budget to ensure you stay within your means. ATM fees. Use travel cards like Wise or Revolut for low exchange rates and fee-free withdrawals. Avoid using airport currency exchanges, which often have unfavorable rates. Negotiate. In many countries, haggling is common in markets and small shops. Be polite but firm when negotiating for souvenirs, transport, or accommodation. Finally, some general tips. Travel off-season. Visiting during the shoulder season, just before or after peak season, can save you up to 50% on accommodation and flights. Attractions are less crowded, and the weather is often still pleasant. Travel light. Pack only essentials in a carry-on backpack to avoid airline baggage fees. Versatile, quick-dry clothing is ideal for long-term travel. Travel slowly. Staying in one place for longer reduces transport costs. Many hostels offer discounts for weekly or monthly stays. Insurance. Travel insurance is essential, even for budget trips. Companies like Safety Wing and World Nomads offer affordable plans for backpackers.